In this video, we'll go through step by step and replace the battery in your Audi S8 key fob. This process is very quick and easy to do. You can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032, and you'll just need one of those. These are inexpensive. You can find them online. If you're interested, go check out that first link in the description. That link will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now to open this thing up, first flip it over, find the button down here on the bottom, hold that down, and while holding, remove the key. Over here on the front, on this bottom tab, that is actually a button. You can see how that goes down there. You're going to hold the key fob, hold the tab, and push down the button, and pull, and kind of wiggle, makes it a little bit easier, and this whole piece will come right out. You can just remove the battery with your fingers, grab your new CR2032. There it is. When you're ready to put it in, make sure the positive side is facing down. And you'll just set that into place. Now you just need to slide this piece back in there, push it all the way down into place, and put your key back on there. If you'd like to make sure you did everything correctly, just click and make sure that light is activating. Mine is a little bit faint. Yours will probably be brighter than that. But if that light's turning on, that means you did everything correctly and you are good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.